Welcome back. Let me show you a trick on how to solve this implicit differentiation. All right, enough of the long method you've been using. Let me show you a very short trick on how to solve this in case of exams. All right, so first of all, rewrite this equation again. X cubed plus y cubed. This one is coming in minus 4 and set all to be equal to what? 0. Now the next is to put your dy all over the x because we're asked to differentiate implicitly. So next thing, put a negative sign, put a curve, and put another bracket. Rule a line, put the first bracket, put another one in the denominator. Now, what you need to note in this method, that the numerator here is just for differentiating x, while the denominator here is just for differentiating the values of y. All right, so let's differentiate. If we differentiate this with respect to x, we have that this is 3x squared. Now, if we differentiate this with respect to x, there's no x here, so this is 0. Right? Differentiate a constant is 0. So let's go to the denominator. If we differentiate here with respect to y, there's no y. This is 0. Differentiate here with respect to y, we have 3y squared. Differentiate a constant is 0. So if we cancel out this, we have that dy by the x equals negative x squared all over y squared. This is the answer just in a minute. All right, let's go to the second one. Now rewrite the equation again. X squared y squared minus 4 equals 0. All right, let's bring it down here. Let's bring it down here. So x squared y squared minus 4 equals 0. Now the next you need to do, put your dy all over the x equals, put a negative, put 2 brackets, then divide and put another bracket. Now let's differentiate the top with x. If we differentiate here with respect to x, we have that this is 2xy squared because there's y here, right? Let's very well. So this is 2xy squared. Now, if we differentiate the constant is 0, so let's go to the denominator. Differentiate here with respect to y. After differentiating with x, the numerator, come to the denominator and differentiate with respect to y. So if we differentiate here with respect to y, that this is 2x squared y. Now differentiate the constant is 0. So clearly, what can you see? 2 here can cancel out 2. X here can cancel out x. Y here can cancel out this. And what do we have? The y by the x equals negative what? Negative y all over what? All over x. Negative y all over x. And this is the right answer just in a minute. All right, let's go to the next one. The 3. Rewrite the equation again. X minus 2 plus y negative 2 minus 5 equals 0. Now the next one, write your dy by the x. Put a negative sign, put your 2 brackets all over, put another one. Now let's differentiate with respect to x. If we differentiate with respect to x, we'll have that x raised power negative 2 differentiate with respect to x. This is negative 2, x negative 3, y. If we have x negative 2, if you differentiate, this is negative 2x negative 2 negative 1. So this gives us negative 2x, negative 2, negative 1 gives us negative 3. So let's differentiate here with respect to what? To x. There's no x, this is 0, and the constant here is what? 0. All right. So this is just negative 2x, negative 3. All right. So from here, let's differentiate the denominator with respect to y. No y here, so this is 0. Differentiate with respect to y, we have this is negative 2y, negative what? 3. So differentiate the constant is 0. So clearly, this can cancel out this. And what do we have? This implies that we have negative x raised to the power negative 3 all over y negative 3. You can leave your answer like this. You can see, want to simplify further, no problem, you're still correct. All right, so this is 4. Is the last one. So this is x to power 4 plus y to power 4. X to power 4 plus y to power 4. So bring in this one inside. 4xy equals 0. All right, so let's differentiate this. If we differentiate this, put the y all over the x first equals your negative and put another bracket, then divide by the denominator. So first of all, let's differentiate with respect to x everything. If we differentiate with respect to x, we have that this is 4x cubed. Now, if we differentiate here with respect to x, this is 0 because there's no x here. Differentiate here with respect to x, we have what? minus 4y. So 4y will remain. So here now, this place, let's differentiate with respect to y. There's no y and this is 0. We differentiate here with respect to y, we have 4y cubed. Differentiate here with respect to y, we have negative 4x. All right, just in a minute. So this is the y all over the x equals, let's factorize that 4. Factorize that 4, this is x cubed minus y. All divided by, factorize that 4 here, this is 4. So y cubed minus x. And 4 here can cancel out what? 4. All right. And so therefore, the y all over the x equals negative x cubed minus y, all divided by y cubed minus x. And this is the right answer. Thanks for watching this video, and do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting trick like this. There are more videos for you to watch.